ordered Swedish prisoners of war to dig out this area to create a waterway that reached the central part of Copenhagen. Og nu kommer vi så ud i Københavns Havn her. Foran os har vi Papirøen. Og der ligger nogle rigtig dyre lejligheder. Den dyreste af dem blev solgt for et par år siden til lige knap 71 millioner kroner. We're now in Copenhagen's harbor, and in front of us is an area called Papirøen with these modern buildings. One of the buildings is a hotel, but some of the others have apartments which you can buy, and the most expensive one was sold a couple of years ago for 9.5 million euros. That is what it costs to get a view of the sea here. Det næste vi kommer til på højre hånd, det er Operahuset. Det har 20 års jubilæum i år faktisk, tegnet af arkitekten Henning Larsen. To the right, we can now see Copenhagen's Opera House and this new park next to it. The opera was built back between the year 2000 and 2004, and it has one of the world's biggest free hanging roofs. There's even been diving events where professionals have jumped from the edge of that roof and into the harbor, making this 32-meter jump. Called Copenhagen is that you can walk on the roof of that power plant. And then you will make it to a height of 85 meters to get a nice view of the entire city. But that's not even all, you can also go skiing on the side of that construction. So it is indeed a man-made hill. Til højre har vi Marinestationen Holmen med et fort, 6 meter ned der, hvor der faktisk er en kanon, der bliver affyret 2 gange. Gætflade, det der.
Чув, що там вже в Італії, коли вивішують прапор, це значить він вдома.
Og nu kan vi også se Amalienborg Slotsplads med den store bronzestatue af Frederik den 5., som rider over mod det, der hedder Frederikskirken. Eller Marmorkirken, som den også bliver kaldt. That giant church is called the Marble Church. It is also these 2 small houses to the right, they are called the Royal Pavilions. That's a place where King Frederik of Denmark receives guests coming from other countries. For example, the president of Iceland was here last year and she was brought to this pier with a little boat. Og her til højre har vi Mærsk, verdens næststørste containerskibsrederi. Bygningen kaldes også Huset med de blå øjne. The building to the right is the headquarters of Mærsk, which is a big container shipping company. The building is also known as the House with the Blue Eyes. Someone has actually sawed off her head in 1964, and on that occasion the police didn't manage to find the head, so a new one had to be made, which was then cut off in 1998. But on that occasion the police took it very seriously and they called it a murder case actually. And her har vi Skuespilhuset, der åbnede i 2008, hvor man kan tage ind og se teater og musicals. To the right we have the Playhouse, that is part of Denmark's National Theatre, and it opened back in 2008. højre for os har vi nu den sorte diamant, det kongelige bibliotek med den lille koncertsal, dronningsalen. To the right, the building is called the Black Diamond, and that is the Royal Library in Denmark. There's also a concert hall.
Ой, я читала про бібліотеку. Одна з найбільших в Європі. Сучасна.
Right. The bridge is called the Marble Bridge, and it's all the way back from the 1730s.
Ці корони, звісно, дуже красиві. Ворона сидить на короні.
Dall'altra parte